Virginia.
Eastern Standard Time, gauge reports indicated flooding along the Chickahominy River near Providence Forge. At 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the river level was 8.4 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring. At 8 feet, the river exceeds its banks in the vicinity of the gauge along Atkins Road. Parts of Atkins Road began to flood. Some locations that will experience flooding include Providence Forge, Senate Bottom, and Mount Castle. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, an area flood warning has been issued until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday for the following county: New Kent, Virginia.
Okay, I replayed the alert. I don't like how it cuts out with just only one end header.